Welcome to a world where elegance meets functionality, where your workspace transforms into a sanctuary of creativity and inspiration. Discover our collection of luxury desks, each meticulously crafted from the finest materials, designed to enhance your professional and personal environments. Whether you crave the warmth of rich hardwoods or the striking contrast of epoxy resin, find the perfect piece that reflects your personal style. Don't forget to subscribe to Wonderful Home Design channel. A luxury wooden desk is the epitome of sophistication and functionality, transforming any workspace into an inspiring environment. Crafted from high-quality hardwood, such as mahogany or walnut, these desks showcase exquisite grain patterns and rich, warm tones, elevating the aesthetic of any room. The natural beauty of wood not only enhances the decor, but also brings a sense of tranquility and grounded elegance to your workspace. Many luxury desks are designed with ergonomic considerations, offering ample surface area and thoughtful storage solutions, such as hidden drawers and cable management systems, ensuring a clutter-free environment. Whether in a home office or a corporate setting, a luxury wooden desk serves as a statement piece, marrying classic craftsmanship with modern efficiency, encouraging productivity, and instilling a sense of pride in one's surroundings. Investing in such a piece is not just about functionality, it is a commitment to quality and timeless elegance. A luxury wooden epoxy desk is a stunning fusion of natural beauty and modern design, offering a unique statement piece for any workspace. Combining rich, durable wood with vibrant epoxy resin, these desks create breathtaking visual contrasts, making each piece one of a kind. The warm tones of the wood are beautifully enhanced by the glossy finish of the epoxy, which can be tinted in various colors, allowing for endless customization to suit individual tastes and decor styles. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, these desks are designed for functionality, often featuring spacious surfaces and clever storage solutions. The use of high-quality materials ensures durability and longevity, making them a worthwhile investment. Ideal for both home offices and professional settings, luxury wooden epoxy desks not only inspire creativity and productivity, but also showcase an appreciation for craftsmanship and innovation, seamlessly blending beauty and utility. A luxury wooden epoxy desk is a breathtaking centerpiece that blends artisanal craftsmanship with contemporary aesthetics, redefining modern workspaces. The combination of solid wood and epoxy resin opens up a world of design possibilities, where striking colors and patterns in the resin enhance the natural beauty of the wood grain. Each desk is uniquely handcrafted, ensuring that no two pieces are alike, which adds character and exclusivity to your office or home environment. These desks often incorporate features like smooth finishes and ergonomic designs, promoting both comfort and function. With thoughtful attention to detail, many luxury epoxy desks include built-in storage compartments and cable management systems to maintain a clean, organized workspace. This exquisite piece not only serves as a functional work surface, but also as an artistic focal point, reflecting personal style and a commitment to quality.